Hey, it's Camper Cass here at Arcan Trailer, and today I'm going to show you this really awesome 2026 Cougar 29 MBD floor plan. It's brand new this year and I'm really excited to show it to you. We're going to start on the outside and then we're going to pop inside. So first we're going to start at the front. Follow me. On the front here for the pin box, we do have the Curt Helix, which is a new pin box. It does have this spring in here to absorb any road shock as you're driving down the road. Also in the front compartment, you can see instead of having a baggage door catch or magnet, Cougar puts on two really strong gas power struts, so you don't have to worry about the door accidentally dropping and hitting you on the head. Now, as you come outside, you do have a large pass-through storage. It's got the coin mat all the way through, LED lighting. On the opposite side, you do have your water station, as well as access to the water pump to make it easy for you to winterize or de-winterize. These do have the thick, heavy-duty slam latches as well. So no twisty locks on these bad boys, and magnetic catches. You also get two full-size awnings here, as well as the LED lights. These do have manual overrides on them as well. Not every awning will have the manual override. The walls on these are HyperCore walls, so they are completely waterproof walls. Underneath here on the chassis, you do have the ABS braking system, as well as the Road Armour suspension. So that'll work in conjunction with your pin box to keep the ride nice and smooth. It also has 4-point leveling, so that it'll make it easy for setup and set down. It is electric. You do have the composite steps when you first walk in. These are the Suburban composite steps, so they're significantly lighter than the metal ones. And they do have cutouts in the threads, so water and dirt just falls through instead of into your camper when you lift up the steps and pop inside. So follow me, we'll go inside. We got lots to cover. One thing to note is that the floors are actually made of hyperdeck flooring, so they are 100% waterproof as well, and lighter depending on the floor plan that you're looking at. So in here, you've got this massive, beautiful size kitchen and lounge area. At the back, you've got your full-size kitchen. You've got tons of cabinetry. All the cabinets are painted. They also all have residential hinges and magnetic catches. They do have soft closes as well, so they're not just gonna slam shut on you. Residential sink and faucet, plenty of storage down below. You've got a 3-burner cooktop right here, as well as a larger oven. Over here, you've got your 12-volt refrigerator. So this one actually has a setting to go off-grid. So if you are the type of person that wants to go boondocking, just drop it down to setting number 2, and it'll drop it down to 3 amps per hour while you're camping off-grid. Over here, you have your dinette where you can eat. This does fold down into a bed to sleep some extra people. I doubt that you'll ever have to do it with this floor plan though, because the bunkhouse is quite large, but we're gonna get to that right away. Over here, you do have your recliners. They have heat and massage, as well as USB ports and power plugs for your devices to keep you guys comfortable on movie nights and such. TV is straight across from there. Now, one really cool feature that I don't want to forget to point out is that this one has an 18,000 BTU Furrion Chill air conditioner. This one draws way less energy than your traditional air conditioner. The nice thing about it though is that if you look at this little remote here on the wall, it actually tracks where this remote is going. So if you take this remote and you go up into the front bedroom, it's going to start adjusting the AC to pump out more in the front bedroom, because this is your thermostat, the remote here. I wanted to point out as well, this is all your pantry storage. You've got tons of pantry storage for everyone that's going to be camping with you in this coach. So we'll come straight into the bunk room here. This one's kind of a gem. So you've got the 2 bunk beds. They've already built the ladder and the railing for safety. They both have their own outlets and lights. This also has a trundle bed. So if they bring any friends with them, they can pull out this bottom bed and you can sleep more people comfortably. Now, you might wonder, where are they gonna put all their belongings? Well, we've got that covered too. So we've got a storage pantry here. You can do shelves, or this actually flips up and latches, and then you can hang clothes as well. You've got the 2 drawers, and you've got storage down below for all their shoes, so they're not in the main area. You also have a little desk here that does fold down. So if anybody wants to be playing video games or working from the trailer, this is a good spot to do it. When you first come in, you'll also notice you've got a bench here to sit down and put on your shoes. There's lots of space for shoes underneath, so shoes are never gonna be a problem going forward. You also have coat hooks and more storage up top. There's more here. We've got more space for you, whether you wanna use this for pantry or outdoor stuff or toys or anything like that. Tons of storage. We'll head up into the bathroom. Up in here, you've got the porcelain residential toilet, a large shower surround glass enclosure with an oxygenic shower head, which reduces the water consumption by 20%, but increases the pressure. You do have a ton of counter space, as well as a ton of storage with the 3 drawers and the cabinet, as well as the medicine cabinet up top. And then we'll head into the main bedroom. I'm 5'9" and I can walk all the way in here without cracking my head on the roof. You have storage space on both sides. You've got your nightstands with little doors to store your belongings. You've got outlets and USB and USB-C on both sides. You've got storage all the way around the side of the bed. You've got a large king-size bed as well as storage underneath the bed. So if you have any extra blankets or pillows or anything you need to store, you've got tons of space under there. And one last thing over here, you've got your pantry for your storage. So you can either hang your clothes and you can fold this up like the last one, or this one is prepped for washer dryer. So you can put a combination washer dryer in here and just remove this completely. But that still gives you space in these drawers to store your clothes, even if you do have a washer dryer. So that's the 2026 Cougar. I'm Camper Cass, and I'll catch you camping.